Are you gonna be just like a line of butts?
Line of butts. Let's go one after the other. Yes, yes, yes. Make sure you get my face in it. You know?
Why? Why are you corrupting?
Oh my god. Who did that? Who did that?
Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it. Into the thick of it.
Has to be epic.
Ready?
Yeah. Three. She ripped him.
Very uncomfortable position, y'all. She said she could do it, right? The handcuff trap. Let's see, girl. She's locked in. She's locked in. Broken leg and all. You ready? Let's go. Let's go. Come on to that. 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 What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Can you make it out? Oh, she go. Okay. Okay. What else? What else? What else? What else? Okay. Okay. What else, girl? What else? What else? Can she make it out? Can she make it out? Can she make it? Oh, where's the other side? Oh, okay. Back around. Back around. And she, you know what? And she make it. Back where she started, y'all. Back where she started. Yeah. Damn, I didn't hit these motherfuckers' car. You okay? Are you all right, man? Oh, nah, no, I ain't hit y'all car. That hard. Throw this in the grease for about 4 to 5 minutes. Yo. I'm gonna come back and get it. Appreciate it, man. Oh shit, he finna do it. Appreciate that, big dog.
You got it.
All right. Ooh, I'm the fucking GOAT for this.
Babe, what did you do?
It was. I dropped my phone in here. At least it was in the part with no animals. How do I get it out?
They ain't got no people. Bro. Look. Bro, I don't even fucking know you like this fucking DJ Khaled, motherfucker. Close the goddamn door. Can I break a twin? No, my bad.
Okay, so I already have really big boobs, like natural double D's, but you guys, this is such a lie to all men. This contraption. Imagine pulling this out on a date.
We having sex tonight?
Yes.
All right, then. That's a good answer today. That's what I'm talking about.
this. Eso.
Hey, 2006.
2006? I think you're cute.
Thank you.
That ass.
Thank you.
Can I get your number? Nah, I'm joking with you.
Do we need to wear masks? She's wearing one, they were wearing one. Do we need to wear one or no?
Vaccinated.
Oh, well, I'm vaccinated. See, look. That was my vax. I guess I just wear one just in case.
Yeah.
Cool. Where are the Pokemon cards?
Get on the boat! Get on the boat!
Video prank.